Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhuda Inani binti Afendi. I would like to talk about Xerox company background. Xerox Corporation is a global company that deals with services related to business processes, information technology services, and document management solutions. It employs 24,700 people, has 11,713 active patents, with presence in 160 nations. Xerox was established by George C. Seeger in 1906 in Norwalk in the state of Connecticut. Furthermore, the company name Xerox is more of a legend that is regarded as almost synonymous with photocopier activities. Today, as the year 2023, with their Chief Executive Officer Steve Bendrowski at the helm, Xerox is still moving with innovative time despite the dynamic trends that characterize the technology and services landscape for progress into a future. Thank you.
I want to present about objective Xerox company. First, the analysis and comprehend the managerial roles and governing factors for performance. First, the people involved. Second, the reason for the process. A third, location of the process. And lastly, how solutions are identified. The second objective is analysis the SWOT, example from company, business solution and impact of the solution. First, SWOT analysis. Second, example from company. Third, business solution. And lastly, impact of the solution.
Good morning. My name is Rohan. Today I will explain the reason for the process in the organization. These reasons are divided into internal factor and an external factor, which influence how the company operates and makes decisions. First, let's look at the internal factor. The company has strong commitment to innovation and research, which helps stay competitive. It also uses a blended organization structure combining global and regional operation. The company invests in employee training and development and maintain an efficient supply chain and global service network. The next one, the external factor, affect how the company adapt to changes. These include rapid technological changes such as cloud system and digital workflows and strong competition in the document solution industry, and also strict regulatory requirement and changing customer expectation for more integrated digital solutions. This slide shows the people involved in the organization. Different teams work together to support operations, innovations, customer service, and governance. Let's go. First is top management. The CEO and executive leadership team set the long-term visions and corporate strategy. They decide on major technology investment and oversee global operations and company policies. Next is engineering and research and development. Research development means R&D. These teams focus on innovation and product development, supported by a strong research culture such as PARC. PARC means Palo Alto Research Center. They develop printers and digital presses and document system while improving efficiency and integrating new technologies. Next is sales and marketing. The sales team provides customized document and print solution for small, large organizations. This marketing team promotes the brand and responds to market shifts towards digital workflows. Finally, service and governance. Services technicians and customer support teams handle installations, maintenance, and technical support. The board of directors and compliance teams ensure the ethical standards, corporate governance, and system reliability. That's all for me. Thank you.
Basically, at Xerox, problem solving happens within a clear organizational structure. Each department has its own responsibilities. So when a problem occurs, it's handled by the people who are more suitable to deal with it. This also make reporting easier because everyone knows who to inform when something goes wrong. Inside each department, supervisors and managers keep track of daily work. They look at reports and performance results to see if there are any delays, inefficiencies, or drop in productivities. By noticing this problem early, they can fix them before they turn into bigger issues. For more technical problems, Xerox relies on the technical service department. This team handles machine diagnostics, maintenance and repairs. They also deals with customer technical problem because they work closely with the machines and system. So they can identify faults that might not be obvious at the operational level. Then there is also have a research and development R&D department which is focused on long-term solution. They study product performance and develop new technologies to prevent similar problems from happening again. So often, Xerox bring people from different departments together so they can share knowledge and come up with the better solution.
When it comes to identify solution, Xerox use a very structured approach. Managers first collect data from different departments, such as performance reports, service logs, and internal reviews. This helps them to understand what the problem is and how serious it is. Customer feedback is also given a strong attention. Information from survey, service interaction, and complaint help Xerox to understand where customers are unhappy and what needs to be improved. Manager then analyze performance data to identify gap and weakness. This include machine error logs and productivity reports, where actual performance is compared with the expected performance. Finally, Xerox focus on finding the root cause of problem rather than just surface issues. Solutions are discussed and developed together with other teams to make sure they work in the long run. This allows Xerox to continuously improve efficiency, service quality, and overall performance. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Fadila. For this part, I will explain the SWOT analysis of Xerox. First, for strengths, Xerox is a global company that operates in more than 145 countries. The company also has a strong innovation background and is well known in managed print service. Besides that, Xerox offers secure printing, cloud solutions, and digital workflows which help organizations work more efficiently. However, Xerox also has some weaknesses. One of the main issues is that the company still relies a lot on traditional printing. While many businesses are moving toward digital systems, the print industry is also declining and some Xerox machines have high operating and maintenance costs, which may not be suitable for smaller businesses. For opportunities, Xerox has a good chance to grow through digital transformation. There is increasing demand for cloud services, digital workflows, and workplace solutions. This allows Xerox to expand beyond printing and focus more on digital service. Lastly, for threats, Xerox faced a strong competition from other brands such as HP, Canon, and Epson. At the same time, the demand for physical printing continues to decrease and rapid technological change make the industry more challenging. Overall, this SWOT analysis helps us understand where Xerox stands and how the company needs to adapt in a changing market. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Good evening. Today I'm going to present about the POLC of Xerox. So first is planning, where shift from printing to digital transformation, which means Xerox should focus on cloud and automation, but then not just printers. For example, they can offer secure online document storage. And the second one is target SME and emerging markets, where they can provide affordable digital tools. For example, they can provide low cost services for small shops at Malaysia. So the lastly for planning is use pattern and global presence. Use pattern and global presence, which means like leverage patterns or global reach, where they can use technology as a worldwide presence to grow. For example, like they can sell secure printing system globally. Second, I'm going to talk about the organizing. So the first point is relocating resources to the digital units, where Xerox can move their funds and staff to a digital teams. For example, they can hire more to software developers more than hiring engineers to set up the printers. Second is cross-functional team, where they can form a cross-functional team, where they can also hire form as mixed skill employee for a better solution. For example, an IT resources employee, or else business managers with design workflow works better for Xerox. So the third one is strengthen the partnership, where they can collaborate with technology giants. So people as like in a high tech level in technology, they can collaborate with them. For example, like partner with Microsoft for cloud storage. The third one I'm going to talk about leading, where the first point is inspire employees and customers, where Xerox can share their vision to them and of becoming their digital company. So the second one is culture of innovation. So culture of innovation, which means like they can build a culture of innovation. For an example, encourage new idea, and they can also suggest as mobile apps for a secure printing. So the third one is provide training and motivation to these employees, where they can get support of learning new technology. For example, they can also teach about technology automation to the staff. The fourth one is controlling, where Xerox can track their revenue from digital versus printing. For example, they can compare their digital and to digital income and their printing income, so they can compare both, which one is best for them. And then for an example, they can go for more digital revenue. If they go for a more digital, they can get good profit in that process. So the second one is manage cost to attract SMEs, which is small medium enterprise, where they can keep service affordable for SMEs, so they can attract small medium enterprise business owners. And also the third one is auditing and feedback. So by using this auditing and feedback and also industry trend, they can improve on their trends, and if there is any complaint or any feedback, they can also improve by that to move further. So now I'm going to talk about the example from a company which is C235 all in one color. So the strength is it can combine printing, copy, scan and fax, and also it is an easy setup with mobile and Wi-Fi, and it is also secure and also confidential printing, and which is also it is also eco-friendly certified. So the second one is the weakness, where it has speed limits, where it can only print 24 pages per minute, and also it has small capacity, which is 250 sheets, and also it is also heavy, which is less portable. So for the opportunities is like rising demands from homes and SME companies, and which is also eco-friendly, where the design appeals to sustainability minded, and also It is also potential for school and then small medium companies and then tuition center and new business startup owners. For the threats is it is rapid tech changes where it may outdate the printers or features, and also it is also high maintenance costs which discourage long-term use, and it is also slow support. It can break customers trust, and it has stricter eco rules which increase the pressure to improve.
My name is Nurhuda Inanibiti Afendi. Look at this slide and I will explain it. This slide shows the solution proposed by Xerox to solve the problems identified earlier. First, I will talk about improving the Xerox C235. Based on the SWOT analysis, Xerox should focus on enhancing the strength of the Xerox C235 while addressing its weaknesses. The printer can be positioned as a lightweight, eco-friendly, and reliable multifunction printer. This makes it suitable for small office, school, and small businesses that require affordable printing solution. However, there are some areas that can improve. For example, Xerox can increase the paper tray capacity or offer optional add-on trays to meet higher printing demands. This improvement helps users work more efficiently without frequent interruption. By addressing these weaknesses, Xerox can improve user satisfaction and increase preference for the Xerox C235 compared to other competitors. Okay, next I will explain about customer support. Strong customer support is a crucial solution for Xerox, especially in a competitive printer market. Fast and helpful customer service increase user confidence, particularly among new users who may need guidance when using the printer for the first time. When customers receive quick solutions to their problems, they are more likely to continue using the product. In addition, good customer support encourages long-term usage and positive word-of-mouth recommendations. Certified customers are more likely to recommend Xerox products to others. Customer feedback also plays an important role as it allows Xerox to identify weaknesses and improve future printer models. This helps the company maintain customer loyalty and stay competitive. Lastly, I will explain about the rapid technological change, which is one of the Xerox solutions to solve the problems. Okay, technology in the printer industry is changing very quickly, so Xerox must continuously adapt. One way to do this is by investing in research and development. Improving printer speed, capacity, and connectivity is essential to meet modern user expectations. Regular software and firmware updates are also important to ensure smooth performance and security. In addition, introducing advanced features such as AI-based print management and mobile-friendly solutions allows users to print easily from different devices by keeping up the technological advancements. Xerox can remain competitive and relevant in the future printer market. Okay, in conclusion, by improving the Xerox C235, strengthening customer support and adapting to rapid technological change, Xerox can effectively solve its current problems and achieve long-term success. Thank you.
I want to present about impact of the solution. Impact of the solution have a four impact. The first impact is the impact on customer. Xerox improve customer experience through managed print service and document outsourcing, helping organizations manage documents more efficiently while reducing manual works and human errors. The company also builds trust by offering secure printing, cloud integration, and environmentally friendly solution which are especially important for industries handling sensitive data such as finance and healthcare. The second impact is the impact on society. From a corporate perspective, Xerox Standard is a rebranding by restructuring an organization to be more agile and adaptable. This allows the company to compete better in a dynamic market and support long-term suitable growth. Also diversified its business by expanding beyond traditional printers into digital driven solution, reducing reliance on traditional revenue sources and lowering business risk. The third impact is the impact on cost. Xerox help organizations improve efficiency by using automation and smart print management to cut paper waste, save energy, and reduce manual works. This directly lower operation costs for customers. In addition, Xerox offer managed print service package and leasing options, allowing companies, especially small and medium businesses to access advanced technology without heavy upfront investment. The last impact is impact on company. Xerox impact solution driven productivity through workflow automation and cloud integration, reducing errors and boosting customers' satisfaction.
Before I end this presentation, I would like to conclude our discussion. This assignment helped us understand how management works in a real company using Xerox as an example. From the company background, governing factors, and SWOT analysis, we learned how management decisions affect business performance and how companies deal with challenges in the industry. Working in a group also taught us the importance of teamwork and communication because each member contributes to different parts of the assignment. Overall, this project helped us connect what we learned in class with real business situations and gave us a better understanding of management practices in organizations like Xerox. That's all from our group. Thank you.